Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. We're going to be doing a ponytail, so you're going to be needing braiding hair. So I'm just cutting it in half. So this is me showing you the length of the hair. I made it really long, so it's kind of like longer than normal because I want it to be long. You're also going to need wool. So guys, basically what I did was to spread the wool to a chair. This is my dining chair, so that's what I just did to make it straight. So basically I'm just taking a strand of the attachment and pressing it to the wool and then bringing it back. It's really self-explanatory. I don't really know how to explain it, but if you look at it you definitely get it. So just take little strands, don't make it too big basically. Guys, I am so sorry for the lighting. Like this day rain fell, so the lighting was so bad, everywhere was so dark, and I was so determined to film this video because if I knew that if I don't film it that day I might not end up filming it at all. So please bear with me. Thank you. Yeah, so guys, you're going to be needing bending rollers. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to kind of like straighten the hair so that it doesn't get rough. You can see that the length is long. You want your own length also to be this long as well. Please ignore the background. So basically what I'm doing is folding it or rolling it, if I would say, to the bending rollers. I did not fast forward this place so that y'all can see it clearly. So I'm just rolling it upwards. You have to be very careful because it's going to be kind of uneven, but don't stress about it. By the time it enters hot water it will just blend in. So just roll and roll and roll and keep on rolling. Roll. So I'm just keep on rolling till I've gotten to the top, and then I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to tie it and then bend it, because that's why it's called a bending roller. Yeah, y'all can see. Yeah, bend it.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind.
Okay, so I went ahead to dip it in hot water. So this is me. You're gonna leave it to dry for about 20-30 minutes. Yeah, so this is me just removing it and loosening it. So you're gonna see the result. Let's see it. Oh yeah, and also great tip, when you're putting it in the hot water, make sure you put conditioner into the hot water. Like, this is paramount, this is very important. The conditioner will make sure that the hair does not tangle. If you do not put conditioner, it has the possibility of tangling. So as you can see, I'm removing it here and it's not tangling. It's because of the conditioner.
When it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad,
So yeah, if you have not subscribed, now will be the best time to do so. Look at that pretty red button down there. Click that subscribe button. Also give this video a like, subscribe for more hair DIYs like this. Different kind of hair tutorials are coming your way, so you definitely want to subscribe. Okay, so I'm back again. So basically what I'm doing is just taking the hair and holding it at the two ends of the wool and just tying it around my hair.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.